Make sure it's on that line. No, I think Mavis not paying that bill. Oh, of course, battery went died. This is 21. Volkswagen. Here it is. Taos. Front wheel drive or all-wheel drive? It is. I see a drive shaft. I don't see a drive shaft on the rear. So it should be front wheel drive. Hopefully I don't. Hope it's still good. Let's see, ride height measurements. Measure caster. Pins are out. I don't like that sound. Hold on, I'll do it again. Since I'm on it, since I'm in here. Set tires, confirm. Alright, it's saved. Nah, it's good. Nah, it's good. Alright. Let's see what's the damage. Pretty sure doesn't have caster adjustments. Yep, no front caster. Please, no adjustment for the camera. There is, but you guys unbolt these to shift camber here this way. So you both, I can't tell based on this diagram. Yeah, so it's both from the top, both from the bottom to shift left and right. Oh, they shift caster too. I'm not worried about it. I'm no expert in Volkswagen. Does it have adjustment for the camera in the rear? No camber in tow. Can be fixed. Let's see. No data specified. So, I mean, tow is still good. It's still within. It's still positive. So it should be alright. Tow is still within specification. Let's see, what's it called for? The preferred is 0.08 degree. I'm just gonna fix this. Well, I'll fix both sides. It's not that I'm gonna do to fix camber and caster. It's 60%. I need to go charge it. $15, $24. All right. Hit. 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 Slipped off. Here. Alright. Steering wheel didn't move. Print this out. See, this is before, this is after. So I can't change anything. I know this is supposed to be in green. Now it's in red. So there's no camber and caster adjustment on the rear. Only thing I did adjust is the front toe. Oh, time to fix this. I'm tired waiting. Alright, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you on the next video.